Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to build on your existing knowledge of Applaud and teach you how to create a page, preview and publish content, and change the layout of your page. From the admin homepage, select the Pages icon. Subject to having the right role, you can get back to the admin homepage at any time with your platform's URL followed by /dashboard. In the Pages section, go to the New Page option located in the top right corner. Each page you create is going to need a meaningful title. In this example, we're creating a page to display content about the Applaud platform and calling it Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. When you're happy with your choice, select the check mark. Congratulations! You have successfully published your first page on the platform. Now it's time to add some content. When you're ready, head to the Add Content button. You will see a variety of options, including Call to Action, Document Viewer, and Calendar. In this example, we're adding rich text. Give your rich text a title and select Save. Now, play around with the many features of rich text until you find what's right for you. In this example, we're adding a welcome video and an opening line. Preview your choices for smartphone, tablet, and desktop by selecting Preview and using the icons at the top of the page. Then exit the preview and select Done when you're happy with the rich text you have created. Additionally, you can add as many content types as you need to the same page. In this example, we're adding a search box and a call to action using a banner image. Then play around with the layout of your page by selecting the arrow icons shown to reorder your items. Then select the Settings icon. In this example, we're selecting 2 columns. Select Update when you're happy with your choice and preview your new selections. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more by checking out Applaud Academy and our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.